Welcome to Money Mindset Monday. In this video series, we will be looking into different financial concepts and try to explain them in a way that is easy to understand. Today, we're going to look into the fascinating concept of compound interest. What is compound interest? Let's start with the basics. Imagine you have a magical piggy bank. Now, let's say you put some money in it, and over time, that money doesn't just sit there, it starts earning its own money. This extra money it earns gets added to your original money, and then it starts earning even more money. That, my friends, is compound interest. It's like a snowball effect, but for your money. The longer your money stays in the piggy bank, the bigger and faster that snowball grows. The benefits of compound interest. Now that you've got the hang of compound interest, let's talk about why it's so incredible. Picture this: you invest some money or put it in a savings account. With compound interest, your money doesn't just earn interest on the original amount, but also on the interest it's already earned. It's like your money is working double shifts, earning you even more money while you go about your day. This is especially powerful over time, and it's what makes compound interest a true financial game changer. Time, the secret ingredient. The longer your money has to compound, the more astonishing the results. Let's say you start investing in your 20s. By the time you're ready to retire, your money has had decades to work its magic. This means your original investment could have multiplied several times over, all thanks to the wonders of compound interest. Harnessing compound interest's power. It all starts with an early start. The sooner you begin investing or saving, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you can only start with a small amount, don't underestimate the impact of time. Also, consider investing in accounts or opportunities that offer compound interest, like retirement accounts or certain investment options. Remember, it's not about having heaps of money to start with, it's about letting time work its magic. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and financial insights. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with compound interest, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.